In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map using Miro AI. Whether you're working on projects or brainstorming, mind maps can be incredibly helpful in visualizing and organizing your ideas. With the added touch of AI, the process becomes even more intuitive and dynamic. So let's dive right in and walk you through every step to make your own mind map on Miro. First, you'll want to open Miro on your browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your workspace dashboard, the initial step is to click on the plus button. This button is usually found on the left hand side of the dashboard and it allows you to create new projects or boards. Clicking this will give you a menu of options for different templates and tools you can use. Next up, you need to search for mind map in the search bar that appears. This search function will help you easily filter through the numerous options and reach the specific tool we need. Once you've found it in the list, click on the mind map option. It's typically neatly laid out with other templates and seeing it pop up should be fairly straightforward. After clicking, you will then need to select a mind map template and set it on your board. This template provides a starting point for your mind map and can be customized further to fit your specific needs and preferences. Once it's on your board, the next thing to do is to enter a topic. This is the core idea or subject of your mind map around which all your branches will revolve. Following this, locate the Miro AI button on the upper menu. Clicking this button will give you several AI supported features. One of the key features to utilize here is the Expand Mind Map option. This powerful tool allows the AI to automatically suggest and add branches to your mind map, helping to expand your original idea. Continuing from here, you can opt to further enrich your mind map by choosing the Expand with Questions option. This will prompt Miro AI to provide questions related to your main topic, potentially sparking new ideas or areas of exploration. At this point, it's important to give the AI a moment to process and incorporate your expansions. Once it completes, you may want to add another mind map altogether. This process involves repeating the same initial steps, setting another template, entering a new topic, and clicking through the AI options. From here, you can click on Expand with Ideas, a feature that generates various suggestions on specific points related to your entered topic. Lastly, once the AI finalizes these expansions, you might think about adding yet another mind map. Enter another topic and ensure once again that the AI is set to expand it. You can complete this process by also clicking on Expand with Topics, which delves deeper into subdivision and development of your ideas. Remember, the richness of your mind map greatly depends on the input and direction you give it. Miro AI excels at enhancing your creativity, but each component essentially revolves around the topics you provide. Using these steps, you're now ready to utilize AI and build comprehensive, insightful mind maps to elevate your projects and brainstorming sessions in Miro.